I am finally in Barcelona. This is actually where my mileage run starts and ends, and I actually didn't come here at all. I didn't leave the airport last time I was here. I went immediately to France, but now I'm actually here in Barcelona. I'm here for 3 nights. Right now I'm actually just waiting for the bus. I wasn't really too sure how to get from the airport to downtown, but some lady told me in the information center, try to take the bus, which there's one right here, Aerobus. It was €5.90. Takes me directly to the area what I need to go to, which is the Gotic district. Quick tip here is if you're coming to and from the airport and trying to get downtown or leave downtown and get back to the airport, the place is called Placa de Catalunya. I'll put it in the map below. Basically, it's where this Aerobus drops you off from the airport, and then it's also where it picks you up. This tapas restaurant on Google. I forgot the name off the top of my head, but I will post the link below because I'm just starving. And basically, I ordered a couple things. I ordered some octopus, some shrimp, and some patatas bravas. Alright, finally what I've been waiting for is the octopus. Delicious, man. Trust me, it's really good. Alright, I'm going to finish this place. Again, I'm going to post the link below where I am. So don't mind me, I'm just going to quickly enjoy this for a little bit. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. That was just really good. That was incredible. And that was my first meal in Barcelona. I'm already in love with this country. This behind me is my hostel. I'm walking in here right now. It looks kind of creepy on the outside, but trust me, when you go inside, it's actually not that bad. It actually looks pretty modern inside. So yes, even the hallway to where my room is kind of creepy too. It looks very old. See, it's not all that bad. It was very, very affordable. I think it was only like €80 total that I paid for this for 3 nights, which is a steal, I think. Having my own room. It's not a hotel by any means, but it works. I'm barely gonna be here. So a little bit of a late start today because we had a very random night last night. After the Barcelona game, we went to a bar and we just met these 2 random people from the US that we kept hanging out with all night, and it was great. Technically, I'm supposed to be hiking right now. I definitely missed my tour because I overslept because my phone died and my alarm didn't go off. Anyway, so today I'm making the most of what I would have gone hiking otherwise and just walking around really aimlessly in Barcelona. So let's see what we can find. But first, I'm really hungry, so let's go find some food. It's kind of closed right now, but I did find this place. It's called Kiosko Universal. Basically, I found where the most people are, and there's a ton of people here. I got lucky. I'm sitting at the bar because I'm traveling by myself. I remember that my first day in Spain, it looks just piping hot and delicious. I should have been full from that paella. That was a lot of food, but I saw this the croqueta, beef croquette on the menu. It's only $1.50, so I think I'll try it out. That's really good, actually. Alright, So right now I am walking towards La Sagrada Familia, which is that big Gotic church everybody goes to, so I figured I might as well check it out. Mind you though, if you're gonna go there, it's not really that close to Las Ramblas area or La Boqueria, where I'm staying at. So it was about 1.5 miles, roughly about just over that, and maybe about a 30-minute walk. So behind me is La Sagrada Familia, and I'm debating if I want to go in there because I think it's about 15 euros to walk in there, just look around. I think 29 euros to do a guided tour, which I'll be honest, it looks really crowded in there, and I'm not really in the mood to walk around in there right now. So anyway, I just wanted to check it out, see what it's like on the outside, because that's really what I wanted to see. All right, so I was about to go to La Paradeta, which is an amazing seafood restaurant according to my friend, but I forgot that she told me it was cash only, and I do not have cash on me. Anyway, I also was kind of dealing with a situation where I was trying to check in my flight, and apparently my flight is canceled for tomorrow. So I had to get on the phone with my airline company and basically had to figure out a way to rebook. It took like 25 minutes. Anyway, so I think for now I'm rebooked. I think the reasons why my flight was canceled was like to Amsterdam was wind, I think, strong wind. So apparently that's the reason, and they didn't figure it out until I told them that my flight was canceled. Anyway, so I get to have a little bit more time tomorrow here. All right, so for tonight I'm doing something a little bit different than usual. I booked a tour, but not like a hiking or whatever. It's actually a cooking class. So I'm really excited because I've always wanted to just really learn a lot of like Spanish style cooking, which I don't do too much of, but I try to. So let's see if we can learn something tonight. This tour actually starts with us going to La Boqueria, which I was at yesterday. So I think we're just gonna go around there, the market, and look around for food, maybe grab our ingredients, and then after that, we're gonna go to the cooking school. Here. I'm on the seafood. 4 of us, well, 5 of us are seafood here. Should be really interesting. Alright, I think I'm about to because I don't think anybody else wants to do it. Part is just waiting. Alright, can't wait any longer. I'm so ready. Let's look at this plate. We did that. We made that. Alright, let's try this. You put a lot of stuff on Let's try the shrimp here. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands now because it's the only way to eat it. Take the lid first. Gotta be so good. Class, I think we're gonna go to a bar real quick where I think they have a deal for us for some cheap drinks. I'm just gonna have one because I'm incredibly tired and I have to catch my flight tomorrow. Make sure I don't miss that. Anyway, this deal, this tour was amazing. It's well worth it for $35 US. We got to cook, we got to eat a lot of food, a lot of unlimited drinks too. I'm gonna post the link below where I got it, and you know, I definitely should do the night one too, so you can have a little bit more fun. So check it out. If I were to describe Barcelona in one word, it's just alive. Anytime, any day, you're out there are just people everywhere. They're just walking on the streets, going to restaurants, going to bars. It is always alive. It's always something going on. It's like a moment to talk about food, which is the most important thing for me when I travel. It's amazing here. It might be a little bit on the more expensive side, to be honest. If you're just eating tapas, maybe one dish would cost you about, between 3 to 5 euros each. Anyway, if you're gonna come here, you gotta check out the food. All right, guys, I'm back at the airport in Barcelona. Unfortunately, this trip has come to an end, but I do have to go back to work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like and subscribe button below. Until the next time, I'll see you in the next video in the next country.